experience the perfect blend of history and modern convenience in this beautifully updated farmhouse situated on 24 plus rolling acres in Virginia. This home features 4 spacious bedrooms and 5 baths. Recent updates include a remodeled kitchen, new HVAC unit, updated plumbing and electrical, and fresh paint throughout. With its rich history, modern amenities, and approval for a special use permit, this home is perfect for those seeking a unique and versatile property. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.